Let's start by downloading both Netfox and also Rapier. We need the enhanced determination, either 2D or 3D. Then you extract both of them. We need the add-ons folder from Netfox. So let's start by making our own add-ons folder in Godot. Then we need internals, extra, and the base add-on. Drag it in. For Rapier, we need just the one add-on. Then let's enable all of the Netfox plugins. Enable the Rapier 3D physics engine. Go into general settings and let's change the 3D default physics engine. Save and restart. Let's start by creating a new scene here. 3D, and let's call it main. Set it as the default. We add a new node, which is the Rapier driver. This needs to always be in the main scene you have. Then create a new scene. Let's find the networked rigid body. This is going to be the player. We don't want to use the character node because that's not working well with Rapier and Netfox. Now add a collision. Move it up a bit. Let's also add some visuals, CSG box. Move it up a bit. And lastly, let's add a 3D camera so we can see something. Move it up a bit. Let's select the angular axis. Let's make a ground here with the CSG box. .50 by 50 meters. And add the player in. Create a new scene. Again, a networked rigid body. This is going to be our crate. Add a collision shape 3D. And let's add a visual again. I forgot to put on collision on the floor. Let's do that. Pull in some crates. Duplicate them and rotate them a bit and keep doing that. Go back to the crate scene. And we need to add a rollback synchronizer. For the state, we need to synchronize the physics state of the networked object. Then go back to the player. Add a rollback synchronizer and sync the same state. Now let's auto-connect. Add the water lighting. There we go. If you found the video useful, please like it. Also join my Discord to see more progress of my game. If you have any questions, you can also join the Discord and ask me. Thank you.